Alright guys, so it's after midnight here on the East Coast, but technically it's the 20th somewhere in the world, and since there's makers from all over the world participating in this, I'm going to call this on time. What I did is the Dude Ranch album from Blink-182. If you want to see how I did it, check out the video. If you want to win this, all you have to do is comment below and comment I'm in. And if you don't want it, just comment I'm out so I know. Let me know what you think and enjoy. Other channel, we're doing something called Maker's Rock, and that's where we recreate an album cover. And the one I'm doing is Blink-182's Dude Ranch, and I'm going to kind of do it abstract. I'm going to try to do the sky and then a separate pour once that dries for the ground, and then I'll make the cow and stuff separately. So I'm going to try to do the sky right now.